Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our E-class with English Reader. Chapter 9, Birbal and Tansing. Students, you have already heard about stories of Akbar and Birbal. Akbar was a great Indian ruler. He often tested the intelligence of his courtiers. Courtiers means ministers, darbari. One day, he decided to test his courtiers by a riddle. Riddle means puzzle, paheli. King Akbar drew a line and asked his courtiers to shorten this line without touching it. एक दिन बादशाह अकबर ने अपने मिनिस्टर्स को कहा कि इस लाइन को बिना टच किए छोटा करना है. Everyone in the court was surprised, as it was not possible to make that line small without touching. So the ministers could not find a way to make that line smaller. The king was very disappointed. Disappointed means nirash hona. Soon Birbal appeared in the court and said that he could solve that puzzle. After saying this, he drew another line bigger to that small line. The king became very happy and felt proud of Birbal. Birbal was the most intelligent minister in King Akbar's court. He was posted as a wazir. He was famous for his wit and wisdom. Means he was very witty. Witty means an intellectual person having ability to think quickly. Means extraordinary दिमाग था उसका. बीरबल बहुत हाजिर जवाब था. Because of this quality, other courtiers felt jealous of him. They could not bear him or accept him as king's wazir and wanted him to be thrown out of the court. So they all conspired against Birbal to expel him from the king's court. Conspired means किसी के खिलाफ साजिश रचना और expel means throw out means बाहर निकालना. उन सब ने बीरबल को किंग की कोर्ट से बाहर निकालने की साजिश रची. They proposed the name of Tansin to be the king's wazir. Tansin was a very famous musician in king's court. He was the best musician in the world. The king agreed to the proposal of his ministers, but he wanted to test Tansin for the post of wazir. So he called both Birbal and Tansin in his court and gave them a letter. He ordered them to go to the king of Iran with that letter and bring back a reply. Akbar told Birbal and Tansin that out of two, the one who would bring reply first would be his minister. अकबर ने एक लेटर देकर दोनों को ईरान जाने के लिए कहा और कहा कि दोनों में से जो पहले इस लेटर का रिप्लाई लाएगा वही उसका वजीर होगा. Tansin and Birbal took the letter and left for Iran. After 1 month, they both reached in the court of King of Iran with that letter. They told the emperor that their king Akbar had given that letter and he wanted a reply for that. The emperor of Iran was shocked to read the letter because in that letter it was written that the persons who had brought that letter should be hanged immediately. Tansin was terrified and Birbal too was shocked. The emperor of Iran wondered why these two men were sent to him only to be hanged. But he ordered to keep both of them as captive. Means behind the bars. मतलब किसी को जेल में रखना. एम्परर ने उन दोनों को अगली सुनवाई तक जेल में रखने का हुक्म दिया. Tansin was shaking with fear. He told Birbal to think of a plan to save his life. Birbal was very wise. He thought for a while and said something in Tansen's ear by saying just to follow him as he said. On hearing Birbal's plan, Tansen felt extremely happy. His face lightened up. बीरबल का प्लान सुनते ही उसके चेहरे पर एक अजीब सी चमक आ गई. नेक्स्ट मॉर्निंग दे बोथ वर टेकन टू gallows. Gallows means a structure where criminals are hung to death. But before they were about to hang, they requested the guard to fulfill their wish. Tansen said to be hanged first, and Birbal too said the same. तानसेन कहने लगा कि पहले मुझे गैलोज ले चलो, और बीरबल कहने लगा कि नहीं, पहले मैं जाऊंगा. द गार्ड्स टुक बोथ ऑफ देम बिफोर द एम्परर टू डिसाइड दैट हु वुड बी हैंग्ड फर्स्ट, एज इट वॉज देयर लास्ट विश. द एम्परर आस्क्ड देम व्हाई दे बोथ वर क्वारलिंग टू डाई फर्स्ट. They both refused to tell the reason, but the emperor insisted that unless they would tell the reason, he would not send them to gallows. Then they told the emperor that King Akbar wanted to conquer his kingdom. Conquer means to win over, जीत प्राप्त करना किसी दूसरे पर. And his guru had advised him, if Emperor of Iran would kill 2 men, only then Akbar would be able to conquer Iran. The Emperor of Iran was dumbstruck, means extremely shocked to hear this. ईरान का राजा ये सुनकर एकदम हैरान हो गया, भौचक्का रह गया. He immediately thought why he would kill both of them, and he ordered them to leave his kingdom immediately. In this way, they both saved their lives only because of Birbal's wisdom and intellectual thought. बीरबल के कारण वो दोनों अपनी जान बचा पाए. They told Akbar the whole story how they had befooled Emperor of Iran. उन्होंने अकबर को सब पूरी स्टोरी सुनाई, कैसे उन्होंने ईरान के राजा को मूर्ख बनाया. तानसेन told Akbar that only Birbal was the most suitable person for the post of wazir. No one else could replace Birbal's intelligence. कोई भी बीरबल की इंटेलिजेंस की बराबरी नहीं कर सकता. So in this way, Birbal once again proved to be the most precious person in the court of King Akbar. Students, what have you learned from this story? Yes, we have learned that every problem has a solution. Self-confidence and presence of mind help in dealing with difficult situations. Okay? Now children, hope you have enjoyed the story. So go through the chapter 2 to 3 times for better understanding. Okay? Thank you and have a nice day.